Hello beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to do your nails like this. Let's go ahead and begin. I'm starting off with very short nails, and the first thing that I'm going to do is to push back those cuticles. Right after that, I'm gonna go ahead and get a file that is very similar to a hand nail file, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take off all the shine off my natural nail. And then right after that, I'm gonna go ahead and change bits, and I will be using a cuticle bit to remove any dead skin around the cuticle area. And right after that, I'm gonna go ahead and just get rid of any dry skin that might be there. Right after I apply my nails, I will be cutting them to size, and I will be going for a short stiletto style. The first thing that I'm going to do is trim them and then cut the edges with nail clippers, and then I will use a hand file to give them the shape that I want. Then I will go back to the same bit that I used before, and I will again work on taking off the shine of the fake nails. And now I will be using a dehydrator. This step is super important if you don't want any lifting. Right after that, I will also use a primer. For the acrylics, I will use the Mia Secret monomer, and today I will be using this mixture of acrylic. Someone mixed it for me, so I don't really know what she put in, but it is a customized mix. And practically what I'm going to do is to apply it on the nails like so, and to give it thickness I will be using a clear acrylic. Once I'm done applying that blue acrylic on all of the nails, then I move on to the clear acrylic, and what I want to do here is to give my nails the thickness that I want. Now with a hand nail file, I'm just gonna go ahead and shape up the nails once again. With a ceramic bit, I will be once again making sure that those nails don't have any bumps, and they look pretty smooth. And then I like to use this cuticle bit just to make sure that the cuticle area is nice and clean. Now moving on to the foils, I will apply the foil glue and cure it for 60 seconds. And then once that's cured, then I go ahead and press in the actual foil like so. To make sure that the foil lasts, I will be encapsulating it with hard gel, and for that I go ahead and apply the bonder first, cure it for 30 seconds, and then I move on to applying the gel and cure it for another 30 seconds. And once I'm done with that, then I like to apply a top coat, and this is very important that you don't over cure it. I cure it for 30 seconds and that's it. If you cure it for longer than that, it will turn yellow. Right after you cure it, then you will wipe with alcohol. This is what we have so far. You can stop here or you can add more bling. And for that I will be using the Mia Secret resin and some rhinestones. And my friends, these are the final results. I hope that this video helped you in any way or form. And like always, I will see you on my next video. Hasta la vista. Mwah. Adios.